Welcome back. It is time for another quick bite with Hy-Vee Dietitian Kaiti George.
And these are going to be very quick and just a bite of it too. So it works perfectly today. So we are going to be making cheesecake stuffed strawberries.
So good.
And again, love me a themed recipe. Every time I make these for a holiday party around the 4th of July, they are gobbled up and gone in a heartbeat. So,
and you say that family members ask if you're going to bring it to the party.
Yeah. These, and so these are amazing. I've done these for kids classes. I've done these for adult classes.
Fun.
And again, so super duper easy. So we are going to get started with the cheesecake filling, and I mean to tell you about as simple as it comes. And again, I like a recipe that doesn't have a lot of dishes, and you don't have a lot of dishes in this. So we're actually going to use a baggie to make the cheesecake stuffed the cheesecake filling. So what that is it's really a package of cream cheese. The whole package will go in, about 1/3 of a cup of powdered sugar, and just a little bit of vanilla.
That's it?
That's it.
For the filling, okay.
And my children and I pre-made this yesterday in a bag, and this is what I have them do. Seal the bag, and then you squish. Just squish, squish, squish. And as long as you're just squishing, and as long as the bag is sealed, you don't even need a bowl. Okay. So that's what we did in our large bag yesterday. You'll see it's nice and smooth.
Yes.
If you want to use a hand mixer, if you want to make sure it's really smooth, you absolutely can. But you can just mix this in a baggie for sure. So we mix this all in a baggie and then kind of create a piping bag out of it, and then cut the tip off. So this is how we have our cheesecake filling.
Okay.
So and I'm going to show you how we do that here in just a second. So our cheesecake filling, just a block of cream cheese, some powdered sugar, and a little bit of vanilla if you choose. From there, we are going to find the perfect strawberries, and it is of course strawberry season, and red, white, and blue. This is going to be our red portion of it. So what you're going to do, and this is again a great way to involve children, I take a straw right through the end of the tip, and then you're just going to push it right through the center, and then from there you pop.
Oh, that was cool.
You core the strawberry. So, and
I was thinking we were going to have to like cut.
Oh, no, nope. So then right here we see a hole. I see sunshine through there, and literally with a straw you do it. So you just pop it right through the bottom, right off through the stem, and it comes out. So it tends to work good if you find like the perfect strawberry with a perfect point. Again, you just pop it through there.
It's a lot of pressure, Katie, to find the perfect strawberry.
I know, and it just pops that top off. No fancy utensils needed, right? And then sometimes I'll just take the straw and just really, make it maybe just a little bit bigger, because the more cheesecake you get in there, man, it is delicious. So we have our 2 strawberries that I'm going to use right now, and yeah, again, you just want to see daylight through them. From here, you are going to take your cheesecake filling, and again, in my plastic baggie, no special equipment needed, I've cut the tip off, so this has created a little bit of a piping bag. From here, I'm going to take my strawberry, make sure it's nice and clean through the center, and really just fill it.
There you go.
From there, we're going to take a blueberry and put the hat on, right?
Red, white, and blue.
Red, white, and blue. So it is so simple to do. It is so delightful and so delicious, and it's kind of like a one-bite wonder, you know? And again, just the red is the strawberry, the white is our lovely cream cheese mixture, and then the blueberry top makes it for a delicious, festive 4th of July treat.
And that was so fast.
It is so fast and so easy. And again, just get your straw, get the kids poking through, and they'll be done in no time.
All right, we will put the recipe on Nebraska.tv. Katie, thanks so much.